Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I hate to say it, but they got me again. Bath and Body Works, damn you. So, most of you probably know, but the new spring stuff recently came out, as well as the Sweet On You collection, and I absolutely could not resist. So, I got some things from a little bit of everything, a little bit of leftover SAS stuff as well, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I all got. Okay, let's talk about Confetti Cake Pop. So I had a feeling like this specific scent in the Sweet On You collection was going to be my favorite. As you can see, this is like plastic wrapped, so I'm not positive yet. So let's open it up and find out. Some people in the Bath and Body Works Reddit group were talking about how this did not actually smell good on the body. It kind of smelled like butter, so I'm gonna open these up and see what we got. Okay, so I really wanted some fine fragrance mist, which you will clearly see is the theme of this video. I actually sprayed this on myself like right after I got it, and I didn't feel like it smelt buttery. It's definitely not just like straight vanilla. You can tell there's a little bit of something else in there. I think this smells super great though. I'm a super like vanilla person, so if there's vanilla scents, I typically like it. The people saying though they thought that it smelled like butter kind of scared me. So let's see what like the lotions and stuff are like, because I'm honestly nervous. So I also picked up the shower gel because, I mean, honestly, it goes on it's body wash, so like it can't be awful. I feel like this one, you can definitely smell like that butter note. I feel like I know what people are talking about when I smell this one regarding like the butter scent. It definitely smells like vanilla though. The scents on the Confetti Cake Pop are creamy cake frosting, rainbow sprinkles, and vanilla bean. I feel like you get that vanilla bean though, because that kind of isn't straight vanilla. It almost has like a different scent to it. I can definitely smell the butter like initially, but then the vanilla afterwards. This is the body lotion. Let's smell this. Ooh, yeah, this smells more like vanilla than butter to me. Oh yeah, this smells like vanilla, and like I said with the mist, it smells like a little bit something extra, which I think is that like cake note. I'm not getting any butter. Let's see the body cream, because you never know. It's definitely a light scent. I know like Queen of the Girl Geeks mentioned that it was a pretty light scent. I'd have to agree. I feel like this one maybe has, I don't feel like it's a butter scent. It's definitely like a bakery though. Like it's a vanilla cake. No, I think this all smells really good. I'm a super fan of this line. If it looks like it's really selling out fast and is gonna go away, I may get more, but depending how I like the strawberry pound cake, maybe I'll go for that more. I'm not sure, but I'm really a fan of the Confetti Cake Pop so far. I don't really get the butter note. I get it the most in this shower gel, but I feel like the shower gel is probably the strongest concentration because of its consistency. I don't know, maybe that's just me being crazy, but those are my thoughts. Okay, so this is the strawberry pound cake. So the scents on this are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So I got the spray and the body cream. I feel like these sprays you can't really smell unless you spray them, and I have a ton, which you're gonna see, so I don't want to spray them all necessarily because I'll probably have a headache. But let's just check out the body cream and see what we think that smells like. Okay, I feel like this smells interesting. Let me see if I can get it to dry down. It almost smells like a tinge of like strawberry cough medicine. I don't know, I really cannot get a feel on this one. I feel like it's a very, very light strawberry note, but there's almost like a weird after scent that I'm picking up. It's so light, I have no idea. I don't know, I feel like this one I'm definitely gonna have to test more because I cannot get a gauge on it. It's like the strawberries, the faintest thing I've ever smelled. I really don't know. Wow, that's very strange. I'm thinking maybe if I layer the two, it may be better. I feel like the spray smells better on my wrist than like where I rubbed in the lotion, so maybe it's because the lotion's still wet so far. I don't know. This one's gonna have to be I'm gonna have to come back and review this for you guys because I'm not exactly positive at the current time. I just picked up one from the Margarita Cupcake line because I wasn't really too positive if I would like this. The notes on this are key lime, sunny citrus blossom, and whipped vanilla. So they all kind of have that vanilla theme. So yeah, I just got the body lotion. So let me open it up here. Ooh, I like this. Someone did mention they thought the body creams were, or the body lotions were actually thicker than past body lotions, and I'd have to agree. I think they are a little thicker. Ooh, this is good. If I end up not liking the strawberry pound cake, I might exchange for one of these. I think this is good. I can't smell the vanilla necessarily. It definitely, you get the key lime first. There's maybe a little hint of sweetness and vanilla, but honestly, this smells like the beach, like a margarita. I didn't think I would like this, but actually this smells really good. I'm honestly shocked. Okay, then the only other like pretty new thing that I picked up was these two Saltwater Breeze items. So this wasn't necessarily on my radar. I mean, I knew about it, but I had no intentions of getting anything from it until I actually went into the store. You know how the sales associates are like, what are you looking for? Blah, blah, blah. And she's like, we do have this new saltwater line. And she kind of sprayed me a little sample of it. And honestly, if she didn't do that, I would not have checked it out. So I ended up picking up the body wash and the body lotion of this Saltwater Breeze. The notes are fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. What do all those words mean? Nothing to me, because I honestly did not think that would mean anything to me. But when she sprayed the little tester strip for me, I was like, okay, I kind of like this. It's kind of different, honestly, but like in a really, really good way. So it kind of almost smells like watery, but like, oh my gosh, it's such a unique scent. I don't know how to describe it. I definitely can smell the fresh linen, and I definitely get the water blossom and the white musk. Violet leaves, I don't really know what that means, but I feel like those words are pretty spot on. Honestly, I thought the shower gel would be the best option in this because I think my boyfriend and I could both get use out of this because it's a pretty gender neutral scent, potentially even leaning more towards male, but I thought this would be a super good summer scent, so I picked it up in the body lotion as well. Oh my gosh, these body lotions are so thick. That makes me so happy. Let's rub it in and see if this smells as good. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell it more now that it's on my skin here. Oh wow, it's such a different scent. I mean, I feel like it smells like a throwback scent. Like, you know, maybe it's just repackaged, or have they had this before? I honestly have no idea, but it gives me like nostalgic vibes. Like, I've smelled this before, but I don't know where. It smells to me like a vacation, which makes me want to go on a vacation. Oh my gosh, I don't know literally if I'm thinking of just like 30 minutes ago when I was in the store, or if this smells like something from my past. I just literally can't tell. So everything else was kind of like really random, but this is my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works scent that is no longer it's a retired fragrance. The notes are a blend of red velvet cream, golden plum laced with a swirl of sugared musk, pink jasmine, and wild strawberries. I had this probably like back in late high school or early college, one of the two, as just like a little mini like travel size lotion. And I remember every time I carried it with me in my purse, and I was just like rationing it out because I was like, I love this. And then when I seen it on the website as a retired fragrance, like that you could still purchase, I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. So I hope I still love it as much as I did back then, because honestly, it's been a while. Ooh, it smells just like I remember. Oh my gosh, this makes me so nostalgic. Oh gosh. Wow, this smells like my past, like heavy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I picked this up. I was considering maybe getting it in a body cream or even the spray, but I'm really happy I picked it up in the lotion because that's what I had it in before. Oh my gosh, it's so nostalgic. Wow. Holy cow. Talk about a blast from the past. The rest of the things I picked up were sprays. I said this was going to be spray heavy. I was not kidding. So I picked up a cactus blossom. I really, really like this scent. I love the scent in the candle. I think the spray scent is a little bit different. I sprayed this in store. Super happy I picked this up. This is just like a pretty, just like easy everyday spring summer scent. So I'm really happy to have this. And then they had their SAS table, just like a small table of things they'd never gotten rid of, and they were all like deeply discounted, so I was super happy. I picked up Snowflakes and Cashmere Fine Fragrance Mist. I love this scent. It's pretty much just like a straight vanilla, which is the definition of me. This was the last one they had. I probably would have gotten more if they didn't just have only one left, but last one they had, like I said, so I'm super happy I got to grab that. And then they also had this Agave Papaya Sunset. I have heard a gal I follow here on YouTube, I'm totally blanking out her name. I can see her face, but I'm totally blanking. I will leave her down below. She totally raves about this and this whole entire line. This is definitely like a summery type of scent. Ooh, but I sprayed it in store and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so good. So I had to pick one of these up. And then she also is like a huge fan of Winter Candy Apple, which so am I. They only had like 2 of these left, so I had to pick one up. Of course, we're getting towards the end of winter, but Winter Candy Apple is just like a good apple-y scent. It's not necessarily like you only can use it in the dead of winter, so I'm really happy I have this. Yeah, I really love Winter Candy Apple because I feel like it's more fruity and like apple-y than winter apple. You know what I mean? It doesn't necessarily have a ton of warm notes. So yes, I'm super happy I found this as well. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Officially, I am taking a break from Bath & Body Works. I should not need anything for a long time. Potentially, I may make some exchanges if I think things aren't working for me or something in that regard. But otherwise, I think I'm pretty set and I do not need to step foot in the mall for a while. So thank you for joining me on this video today. I hope you enjoyed and have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.